So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to replace the lithium-ion battery pack in the Razor electric skateboard. And I've got the RazorX, and I've had it about 10 days, and this is just really simple. So the first thing you need to do is get something to put it on and put the skateboard on its back, and then shut the power off. The next thing is you need a 4mm Allen wrench. So I'm going to use this multi-tool, and the 4mm is here on the left, and you just undo a single screw on the back of the power pack. Now when you're taking this off, make sure that you don't lose the star washer, and I found that it just pops into the little groove right there, so just make sure you retrieve it, put it back on the bolt, and then so you can reassemble it easily. So there it is right there, and I'm just going to put this aside so I don't lose it. And then all you have to do is slide this off. Now it's a little stubborn the first time, but it comes right off, and this is just a protective cover. Now the battery is at the bottom. I'm going to tilt it up so you can see it. And it's right there. And so what you would need to do is you need to undo the power cord. And the great thing about the power cord is that you can't mess it up. There's only one way that it can go back together. And so you just snap this off, make sure you don't break it, and then you can see how that goes, where it only goes one way. I'm going to zoom in so you can see it a little bit better. And now all you have to do is just slide out your battery pack. And there it is. And so that's all there is to it. This is a 22 volt, 2.15 amp hour lithium ion, and it's even UL listed. And that's a good thing because it's tested and it complies with the UL code, and that gives you a little bit of peace of mind. And then the reverse, to getting it back in, you just slide it back in, connect your power cord, and then we're going to put our case on and tighten that screw down. Make sure the grooves are lined up, and then just slide the cover forward. Now you just put your screw back in the hole and thread it down. And mine isn't quite right. Oh, there we go. You have to make sure that's seated all the way forward, and then it'll align correctly. And then just get your hand wrench in there and tighten that down, and you're almost done. Now at the very end, I'm going to give it just one little quarter turn, make sure that's good and snug. I'm going to zoom out just a little bit here, and then we just need to power it back up and make sure that the connection's good, and there it is. So at the moment, all I could find is a single source for the battery, and that's on eBay. It's an RS2202 21.9 volt lithium battery. But if I can find another source, I'll put that in the link below. So I hope you found that helpful, and if anybody has any questions, you can leave a message in the comment below, and I'll get right back to you.